Hey, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty on location today at my newest listing right here at 127 New Street in Gaffney, South Carolina. This home has been completely renovated, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, almost 1,000 square feet, brand new roof, new windows, new siding, new flooring, new plumbing, brand new bathroom, laminate floors throughout except in the bedrooms which have carpet, new kitchen with butcher block countertop, stainless steel appliances, large lot with plenty of trees in the back for shade and privacy, plenty of parking. Let's go inside and take a closer look. Come on in. Outside, you have a 14 by 8 deck, large backyard with plenty of trees for shade and privacy, and plenty of parking as well. Let's check it out. Beautiful, isn't it? Well, if you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in the area, give me a call. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available listings in the area at www.producerrealty.com. See you soon. Bye.